Hi everyone, I am here today with another review from GEAREST. This was sent to me for review. It is a practice hand. It is an off-brand of the nail trainer hand. I actually have the real nail trainer hand. I will show you some comparisons of the real nail trainer hand and this one here. This one here, you can see the packaging, the box that it came in, I was really disappointed in it because it was crushed. So luckily the hand itself arrived with no damage. And you also got a bag of 100 different nail tips that go on the fingers. Here's what the nail trainer hand looks like. It bends and it's flexible. And here is the hand itself. These hands are really nice for practicing. I know right now everybody's into the real silicone look hands, but these are really nice hands and they're used in a lot of nail schools for the nail tech students to learn on. Very nice. I like mine, but I don't really use it too often. Now on GEAREST, this hand fluctuates in price from anywhere from like $20 to like $30. And I think it's a pretty good price. It has free shipping. I think it's a pretty good price. When I paid for my nail trainer, I got the same thing. I got the hand and I got 100 of these. And I paid, I believe it was either $120 or $130 for that real original nail trainer hand. And if I would have known back then that they had these, I would have waited and bought this when I bought my nail trainer hand. I think it was like 4 or 5 years ago. I have the real nail trainer and I have the off-brand nail trainer, and they're the same size really. The only thing I noticed is that like the nail trainer, look how flimsy those fingers are, and actually they've popped off. The knuckle, the first knuckle has popped off and I've had to put it back on. And this one here, it's more stiff, more rigid a little bit, which probably could be a good thing, you know. Wouldn't break as much, you see. Look, there's no, it's not moving that much. And look at this one, it's just kind of shaking all over. And the nail tips are a different color here. They're darker. And then on here, the nail trainer, they have them that they're pink, more pink colored. The bendable cords here, the cord on the original nail trainer is longer. And you see that the original nail trainer's bendable base here is slightly longer than the generic model, like maybe 3 inches longer. The knob here for the generic model is much better than the nail trainer's knob that you turn to tighten it onto your desk. And this one has a metal, this is actually metal right here. And this is all plastic, which that's the original. And you think that they would use something metal, would be stronger like the generic one. But no, that's all plastic there. And they want to charge you $120 or $30. And this one is like, what, $30 right now? I could be wrong on that. It does fluctuate. GEAREST, their prices do fluctuate. And to hook this up to your desk, you have to make sure that your desk isn't wider than this space here. Because if it is, it's not going to fit on your desk. The desk that I currently have is wider, and this will not fit on it. I have a new desk coming. It's on order, and I can't wait to show you that. But anyways, it's not going to fit on my desk. And here's what I'm talking about when I show you how it's clamped on a desk right there. So you don't want your desk to be like thick, like way down here, or it will not fit. But this is my other desk that I use for my computer. And see how thin it is? And it goes right up there. And here is the hand hooked onto my desk. I have it in front of me. It's easy to push back and forth. It stays where it's supposed to be. I was wanting to get this and compare it with mine. I really have nothing negative to say about this hand, only the fact that, you know, they needed to package it better. Yeah, if you're in the market and you're looking for a great generic practice hand, well, consider this one. Thank you, GEAREST, for allowing me to review this great practice hand. Thank you, everyone else, for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!